what it used to be.
Hi, Lois. What's up, girl? She's like, I'm chowing. Yeah. Getting to it. Good job, baby. Look, she's totally trying to peek under the barn lid. And she's pitching them safflower seeds.
Ooh, what was that?
Yeah, that might have been Harvey.
Oh,
It is. Yay! Harv. Look at them. Cute. Holding the barn together. Little red-bellied woodpeckers. Good job, kids. Oh, your duck friends. Oh, little finch. Some kind of little finchy thing.
where did I go?
Yeah, man.
I think
Cruising.
those were two oddballs.
Well, they're late.
There was those two, and then there was just another one that made the noise. Those two didn't make any noise.
There's that jay. I wonder if that's the parental jay. It looks big. Oh, yeah, look how big that one is. Where's your baby? So pretty. Pretty birds. Uh-oh. Those don't like it. Those don't like it when they jump on the barn. But Dove's like,
on the wire.
don't look at me.